What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be working with True Glory hair. Freaking love True Glory hair. Just love True Glory hair. But anyways, I'm going to be working with their hair, and I'm going to be showing y'all how I bleach my knots. It's going to be really detailed but super simple. So you just get this pamphlet that comes in the box, the wig, and then I'm going to be working with a 16-inch straight wig, and this was a 13x6 lace frontal unit. It was super soft. Love the quality of this hair, y'all. I ain't getting not one strand, do you hear me? Not one strand while I was running my fingers through this hair. And they did a super duper good job of pre-plucking this wig. I didn't have to do not one bit of plucking when it came down to it. So yeah, so I'm just gonna show y'all what I do. As y'all can see, I have my mannequin head. I love using my mannequin head when I am getting ready to bleach my my knots on my wig. So I'm just gonna comb that hair back, flip that wig inside out, and pin it to that cap. I mean, not to the cap, I'm sorry, to the mannequin head. So the point of this is just so that I have a flat surface. I don't know, some people just go straight in. I just like to do this. I can see what I'm doing. I don't know, this is just my way of doing it. But yeah, I just put it on the wig. I make sure all the hair is tucked back. As y'all can see, like, I'm going underneath that lace, and I'm just tucking all that hair back, because you don't want to bleach any of the hair. The whole point of bleaching knots on your wig is just to get rid of those tiny little black dots that you see on the lace, and just to give you like that scalp like effect. So that's what we are about to do. So I'm just making sure everything is right. I'm pinning that. You want to make sure it's flat and all the hair is back. I'm gonna pop some gloves on, because y'all, bleach burns your skin, okay? If you leave bleach on your fingers, trust me, I know it burns. So make sure you wear gloves, especially if you're a beginner. These are all the products that I'm using. I will have the list also in the description box for everything that I use and everything that was on this video, even the link to where you can buy this wig. I've been rocking with True Glory for a while, and I was just customizing this wig for my my cousin's mom. So yeah, so I'm going in with my BW2 bleach. I use the same bleach all the time, and I'm going in with 2 scoops just for those who are like big on measurements. I usually don't measure. Sometimes I'll do 1.5 scoops. It just depends on how much lace I'm working with. So kind of just have to eyeball it. I'm going in with 40 volume developer, and I definitely eyeballed that. That's maybe 4 to 6 capfuls if you want to measure it out. It's really all about consistency. There is no right or wrong way to like measure any bleach or, you know, your developer out. As long as the ratio is like right and the consistency is right, then who really cares? So I'm just mixing it. I always say you want to make sure that the consistency is like toothpaste or like pancake batter, like kind of that thick consistency. You want to be able to flip your spoon over, your spatula, whatever, your butter knife, whatever you're using to mix this up, and you want the product to stay on there. Like, you don't want the product to fall off. If it falls off and it's runny, that means it will run straight through your straight through the lace and bleach your hair. So the thicker the consistency is, the better, really. You don't want it too thick though. Like, you don't want it dry or anything. You just want it, you know, good. I'm sorry if I'm overcomplicating it, y'all. You just want a pancake batter / toothpaste like consistency. So I'm taking it, I'm starting in the back of the lace, because the hair at the top, I noticed, I actually heard somebody else say this on their video, or in a video that I was watching. It's true that the front of the lace process is faster. I don't know why, but yeah, the back always takes a little longer. So you want to start in the back and work your way up to the front. Y'all, spread this very lightly. Have a light hand. This is sped up, but I promise y'all I moved super slow. It takes me a minute when I'm applying this, just because you don't want to press too hard, and you do not want to bleach your knots. You want to bleach the knots and not bleach your hair or your roots. If that's the look you're going for, I don't think I've ever saw anybody go for that look, but hey, we just really want to just bleach the knots, keep our roots dark. So I leave my bleach on for 20 minutes, and then I wash it off. I use my Shimmer Light shampoo. I heard that if you use blue bleaching powder, that you don't really have to go in with this step. I've never used the blue bleaching powder. I usually always use the white, and it can leave a brassy tone to your unit, like an orangey brassy tone. So the purple shampoo, it offsets that brassy tone. So what I do is I initially go in for one wash, and that's just to stop the bleaching process altogether. And then I go in with a second wash, and I actually leave that on. I'm only washing my lace, and I do let the shampoo run down the rest of the hair, but I'm not like trying to really shampoo the hair, if that makes sense. I just let the shampoo run down the hair, so it's still getting clean. But yeah, so I'm just gonna go in for a second time and put that shampoo, that Shimmer Light shampoo, on there, and I'm gonna actually leave it on. I believe I left it on for 10 minutes. Usually I choose like 5 to 10 minutes, and I just leave that purple shampoo on that lace so it can get rid of those tones. Do y'all see this lace? Like, what? True Glory. Y'all, that lace and a pluck job, they snapped. They really did. Like, it was just giving me scalp all around the board. So yeah, like I said, I'm going in with that Shimmer Light shampoo. I'm gonna put that on a lace. I'm gonna leave that on, and then we're gonna come back after it's done. Y'all, that's really all it is to bleach your knots. It's super simple. I think the only thing that you can really go wrong is with getting the consistency wrong and bleaching, you know, pressing too hard when you're applying it, and bleaching the roots of your hair. That's really the only way you can go wrong with bleaching knots. Other than that, you should be good. Depending on your skin tone, that will determine how much time you leave it on for. So since I'm a darker skin tone, and even though this wasn't my unit, I usually leave my bleach on for 20 minutes. I would say if you're anywhere from like caramel to like a brown skin, leave it on for about 20 minutes. But yeah, these are the finishing results, y'all. It looks super natural. She's giving you scalp, like, hello. And this hair was super soft, super easy to work with. I would love to work with True Glory hair one day. Like, my cousin actually bought this wig. Like, she bought it. We've been rocking with True Glory hair for a minute. Like, this hair I will buy with my own coins. But yeah, thank y'all so much if y'all got to this far into the video, and I will see y'all in my next one. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. All I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you were home. All I ever asked was you to show me some love.